Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have come with yet another beautiful party bracelet which I have made with beautiful pearls and one Kundan ornament. It's very easy to make, as you can see, but it's so beautiful and you can always wear this as any party, any occasion. It's going to look so gorgeous. So you must be seeing my channel before also. You must have seen I have put couple of other things also. This is the material: pliers, round nose pliers, beads, stone, connector, beading thread and beading needle. So I have used big eye needle for this one. First I have taken a double thread and I am securing it with the one side of the connector. It's a 4-layer connector because we are going to make more layers with beads. It's going to be 4-layer beaded bracelet. So I'm just securing it to one of the layers there and then I start beading. I'm using small 4 mm beads. So you can see that it's going to make for the wrist size, I'm going to make its total 17 or 18 centimeter, which will be sufficient for an average wrist size. You can always make it bigger or smaller as per your wrist size. So for making that size, I'm going to put 18 beads in the first row, and once I reach that length, I'm going to add this Kundan ornament in between. This has holes in the side. It's for multi-layers usage. So I'm going to put the thread into the first hole both sides and I'm going to then again start beading the beads. Stringing the beads, you can say that again I'm going to put 18 beads there and I reach at the end of that wrist size length. Rest I will have to add one jump ring to make it secure later with the other side of the connector. So I have measured that. I'm leaving 3 centimeter for connector space and then I'm going to add jump ring. For adding jump ring, after the beads I put jump ring and then I take the needle back into the thread, leaving the jump ring, so that will secure here. So if you see that, once we go, so I pass through 3 more beads to make it secure and then I do the securing of thread, taking the thread around and taking the needle in between, and it will make the thread secure. After that again I have done one more time 3 more beads and I'm going to secure the thread one more time. Then I pass through 2 more beads and cut the thread. This is important so that it shouldn't open later. Now I have secured second time and then I'm going to pass through 2 more beads, as you can see here. So after passing through 2 more beads, I am just going to cut the thread here. So it will make it secure properly. It's slightly difficult once you string the beads to take the needle from there, but yes, those are the things which we learn by practice and it will be fine once you start practicing. So now it's done here for this one size. As you can see, sometimes it can entangle also. So those are the practical aspects, because I don't edit too much to show just a goody video that everything will be falling in place for the first time. That doesn't happen. These are the practical things which happen when you are working. So it's that way it's quite a raw things that happen, or difficulties which happen when you are making a video or making a any project. Now I have taken a second string of threads and I am going to do the same way, connecting to the second layer of the connector. So this is again one side, the same side I am using. So I have done that. You see that, and now I have started stringing the beads here. Again this side we are going to make again same way. I'm going to put here, I'm going to put one bead less because the outer layer is little round. so there we need 18 beads. Here I am putting 17 beads each side. For the middle rows I will be putting 17 beads, and for the outside rows both sides I will be putting 18 beads each side, so that we can balance it, because in the middle it's little wider, our stone ornament is little wider in the middle. So I am putting the beads now, so stringing them one by one. Sometimes they are so tiny you can't hold them and they fall also. That is also the practical aspect. Now I am doing the other layer. So similarly we have to do all the 4 layers. So now I have started doing the 4th layer. After again 18 beads, I am going to pass through the this ornament. In the hole I pass the thread through, and when we go, then it will be ready to put the jump ring to close the end. So we have made 4 layers here. As you can see that 4th layer is in progress. So once we do the 4th layer, then we are going to add the jump ring again. You can see that one by one I am adding the beads. So once I have added them, so it's 4th row is also ready, almost. So I have used big eye needle for this, because sometimes it's difficult to thread the needle, so that's easier. So I'm adding the jump ring again, same way, jump ring and then stringing back to the bead, leaving the jump ring. So it will secure the jump ring there. Then I tighten the thread and I pass through 3 beads, and then I'm going to secure the thread there. So I secured the thread there. Again I pass through 3 more beads and secured the thread again. And then after that 2 more beads, and then we are going to cut the thread. So 2 more beads, here we go, and then we cut the thread. So now you can see our 4 layers are ready here. Such a beautiful gorgeous bracelet is going to be made. Yeah, you can see there. I am going to add the other side of the connector. I have this connector which has the clasp thing, so I can add the jump ring and I can secure there with the connector here. You can have the normal connector also, which has not those opening thing there, but then you can do the same way as you pass through the jump ring. So you can make that way also. I had this connector which you can open and you can add the first string there. So I have made it along with the connector. Now it is 17 and a half centimeters, which is the average wrist size. You can see that. Yeah. So this is how our bracelet is going to look like, and when you are wearing this is gorgeous. I hope you like the video, you make your own and enjoy wearing it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.